Today we're going to be installing the rear TRD Pro Valance in the gloss black. Follow along. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Ride in Style. Today we are going to be dropping the rear bumper and I'm going to show you how to do it. Follow along. First step, taking out these 10mm bolts here all the way through, and that'll be it for the top, and then we go to the underneath. So when removing the mud flap, you will have one 10mm bolt there, another one back there, and one right here, as well as 3 clips. And then under here, you'll also have to take that one out as well. Now we go under the bumper and I'll show you what needs to be unscrewed. So when you take off this bolt here, you're actually going to move this back, and I believe there's another screw under there, as well as all of these here, another clip there, and on both sides clips and screws. Just make sure you get them all, and that's how you remove the bumper. Bumper's out, bolts everywhere. Make sure you line them up as to where you got them out from, because it's easy to get those lost. Here it is. And for the Valance, you got these little pre-marked cutouts here. So this is what you're going to have to use, some kind of a Dremel or rotary tool to cut through to get it to line up, and then you'll secure it with these fastener clips there.
Let me stand, but when I do the front, I'll show you how it cuts.
Yeah, so here's the final for the back, guys. What do you think? Think it looks good? Leave a thumbs up if you think that goes with the gloss black theme, and if it looks good, leave a thumbs up. What do you think? We're going to do the front next, and that'll be like a part 2 to maybe go a little bit more in detail and show you how the bumper looks when it's all cut with the slots and everything else. So stay tuned for that.